Hey everyone! Winter is here, and if you're anything like me, you know that freezing temperatures can turn a normal day into absolute misery. But what if I told you there are 10 game-changing items that can make winter not just bearable, but actually enjoyable? Today, we are counting down the best winter EDC items for 2025 that you need in your arsenal. Let's dive in. Kicking off at number O&E, we have the JOEYOUNG Fleece Ear Warmers. And trust me, there's a reason these are our top pick. Now, why are these the ultimate winter EDC essential? Because they solve every problem traditional earmuffs have while being affordable, comfortable, and actually stylish. Made from high-quality fleece and polyester, these keep your ears as warm as the rest of your body. Customers say their ears feel like they're listening to a sheep, super soft and comfortable whether you're indoors or outdoors. But here's the game changer. Traditional earmuffs slide off when you're active, right? Playing basketball, skiing, running, boom, they're gone. These have a circular headband design that stays put no matter what you're doing. Seriously, customers confirm they don't slide off during intense activities. The single-layer polar fleece is moderate thickness, so you can even wear a helmet over them without feeling bulky. They fit under bike helmets perfectly. They're super elastic, fitting men, women, and kids over age 7. One size fits most head sizes, making them perfect for the whole family. The only minor feedback? Some customers mention they're thin in extremely windy conditions, but for the price and versatility, these are unbeatable. You can even sleep in them comfortably. For under $15, you're getting warmth, comfort, and functionality. That's why these are our number one pick. Coming in at number 2, we have the 2-pack rechargeable flat hand warmers, and this design is next-level genius. What makes this special? The flat design and the fact you get TWO separate units. This is brilliant for versatility. Pop one in each coat pocket, slide them into your hat brim to warm your ears, put them in gloves, stuff them in stockings. The possibilities are endless. These heat up fast with 3 adjustable temperature levels up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, providing up to 6 hours of continuous heat. They're especially great for people with Raynaud's disease or arthritis who need targeted heat therapy. The compact, palm-sized design makes them super portable. Customers rave about how quickly they get warm and how well they work during outdoor activities. Now, here's the honest truth. Battery life reviews are mixed. Some users report they last all day, others say about 1.5 hours on the lowest setting. My guess? It depends on temperature and usage. But for the price of getting TWO units that you can separate and use strategically, this is still excellent value for winter warmth on demand. At number 3, we have something that'll seriously cut your heating bills. The Duck brand window insulation kit. Did you know that windows are responsible for up to 30% of heat loss in your home? This kit creates an airtight seal that blocks drafts and keeps expensive heated air inside where it belongs. This is the roll-on version, which means no measuring needed. The film comes pre-taped at the top edge. Just roll it on, cut to size with scissors, and use a hairdryer to shrink fit it. The film becomes crystal clear after shrinking, so you can see through it perfectly. Each kit includes 2 rolls of shrink film 62 by 210 inches and 2 rolls of tape 0.5 by 83 feet, enough to insulate up to 10 standard 3x 5-foot windows. That's your entire house for most people. When spring comes, it removes easily without residue. Customers who've used this report noticeable differences in their energy bills and warmer rooms. Apply it to clean, dry surfaces including wood, aluminum, or vinyl frames. Simple, affordable, effective, winter prep done right. Number 4 is a must-have that most people overlook until it's too late. Outdoor faucet covers. If you're a homeowner, you know that frozen pipes can cost you thousands in repairs. These faucet covers measuring 6.7 by 8.3 inches fit most garden spigots, hose bibs, and outdoor taps. What makes these special? The 3-layer design. 420D Oxford fabric with waterproof coating on the outside, special PP insulated cotton in the middle. This combo protects your faucets from freezing and bursting in winter, plus shields them from sun damage and rust in summer. Installation is stupidly easy, no tools, no screws. Just slide it on, secure with a hook and loop straps and cord, done. Customers love how easy they are to put on and remove, and the strong Velcro keeps them secure even in harsh conditions. You get 2 in a pack, and they work so well in freezing temps. One customer even mentioned they're easy to spot at night. For under $20, you're potentially saving thousands in burst pipe repairs. No brainer. Sliding into number 5 literally, with these Litfun fuzzy memory foam slippers. Winter means cold floors, and cold floors mean miserable feet. But these slippers are like walking on clouds wrapped in a warm hug. The inside features wool like faux fur lining and super soft coral fleece, with breathable suede and a plush collar. Your feet will thank you. The real MVP here is the thick memory foam footbed that molds to your foot shape. Customers say it feels like walking on a fluffy pillow, and honestly, who doesn't want that? But here's where these beat regular slippers. The ultra-light rubber sole is hard, sturdy, and has non-slip texture. That means you can wear these outside to walk the dog, check the mail, or run to your car without slipping or getting wet feet. They're machine washable, just cold water air dry, and they're fresh again. Customers say they look like Uggs, but cost a fraction of the price. The fit is true to size for most, though some mention they run slightly large. These are excellent value and make great gifts. Number 6 is for my coffee and tea addicts out there. The House Gem Mug Warmer with temperature display. Let's be real. Lukewarm coffee is a crime against humanity. This 36-watt mug warmer makes sure your beverage stays at your perfect temperature. Choose from 176 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Fahrenheit, or 130 degrees Fahrenheit depending on whether you like it piping hot or just warm. The 5.2-inch heating plate fits 99% of cups and mugs, yes, even your giant travel mug. The waterproof plate is easy to clean, and the LED temperature display prevents accidental burns. Safety features? Oh, they've got them. 4-hour auto shoot-off by default, but you can customize it anywhere from 2 to 12 hours. UL certified for quality. One customer even confirmed it works perfectly on 220V circuits for international use. This wood grain version looks beautiful on any desk. Customers say it's one of the best coffee warmers they've found, and it makes an excellent gift for any beverage lover. Never drink cold coffee again. Number 7 is for everyone who works at a desk, drives long hours, or just carries stress in their shoulders. This weighted heating pad for neck and shoulders. Picture this. You come home after a long day, your neck is tight, your shoulders are screaming. You throw this on, and in 30 seconds, yes, 30 seconds, you're getting soothing, even heat across your entire neck and shoulder area. This 17 by 23-inch pad is perfectly sized to drape over your shoulders, and the weighted stone seed edges keep it in place. No slipping, no adjusting. The 7-foot cord gives you freedom to move around while you're heating. You get 6 heat settings from 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 4 timer options up to 2 hours with auto shoot-off. The digital display counts down so you know exactly how much time is left. Best part? The controller detaches, so you can machine wash the entire pad. Keep it clean and fresh all winter long. This is perfect for personal use or as a gift for literally anyone. Moms, dads, grandparents, that friend who's always complaining about their neck. Under $50 and it's life-changing. Moving to number 8 now, this one might surprise you as an EDC essential. But trust me, winter air is brutal on your skin and respiratory system. Enter the Dreo Smart Humidifier. This isn't your grandma's humidifier. This is a smart humidifier that works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Control it from your phone, adjust the mist volume, set timers, all from your couch or even when you're not home. What makes it special? The dual intake design creates mist particles that are 3 times larger than standard humidifiers, giving you faster relief from dry air. But here's the genius part. Those particles are 5 micrometers in size, so they spread evenly without making your furniture wet. The 4-liter tank runs for 36 hours straight, and at just 28 decibels, it's whisper quiet, perfect for bedrooms. The top fill design means no awkward tank flipping, and it comes apart easily for cleaning. Customers love that it works in large rooms and tracks humidity levels throughout the day. Some report it turns off randomly, but most say it's one of the best humidifiers they've owned. For winter comfort at home, this is a game changer. At number 9, we have these sleek rechargeable cylindrical hand warmers with 360-degree heating. This is where we upgrade to premium reusable warmth. Unlike those flat hand warmers that only heat one side, this cylindrical design wraps heat completely around your hand. No more flipping it back and forth like a nervous pancake. You get 3 temperature modes: low at 109 degrees Fahrenheit for mild days, medium at 119 degrees Fahrenheit for average cold, and high at 124 degrees Fahrenheit when Jack Frost is really trying to get you. The best part? That built-in 5000 mAh battery doubles as an emergency power bank for your phone. Weighing just 3.78 ounces, this thing is pocket-friendly and portable. It fully charges in about 3 hours with 2A fast charging, then gives you up to 8.5 hours of heat on low. Customers who've tested these in extreme cold say they last all day, and pianists even use them before performances to keep their fingers limber. Plus, you get TWO in the set, one for each hand, or share with your significant other. Romantic and practical? Sold. And rounding out our list at number 10, we have the classic HotHands hand warmers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Really? Basic hand warmers? But hear me out. These bad boys are air activated, which means no batteries, no charging, no fuss. Just open the package, give them a little shake, and in 15 to 30 minutes, you've got over 12 hours of consistent heat. 12 hours, people. What makes these perfect for EDC? They're TSA approved, ultra thin, and completely disposable. Toss them in your jacket pocket, your gloves, even stick them to your body with the adhesive backing. They're made in the USA, totally safe, and won't harm the environment when you toss them. Customers are loving these for hunting trips, sporting events, and even just walking the dog. And here's the kicker, they're way cheaper than constantly buying those reusable electric ones that die on you. Stock up on these, and you're set for the entire season. And there you have it, the 10 best winter EDC items for 2025. From those game-changing ear warmers to preventing frozen pipes with faucet covers, these items will transform how you experience winter. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews and seasonal guides. Links to all these products are in the description below. Stay warm out there, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.